this video, I will show you how to get access to BullX. To get started, go ahead and check out the invite link at the description box to be able to get redirected to the BullX bot on Telegram. And here, go ahead and click on the start button. As you can see in here, you need to have an access code and paste it on the text section to be able to get access to BullX. So what you'll need to do is to enter this access code. Don't worry because I'll include this in the description down below. Once you have entered that description, you'll be able to find this message where you can actually click on the login button to be able to create an account on BullX, access BullX. So click on the open button and you'll get redirected in this section. So in here, you need to set up your account. On the next button to proceed with the next step. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to find QR code where you can actually fund your wallets instantly. Hit on the start trading button and you'll get redirected into this section. That is basically how you can get BullX Early Access and how you can access BullX. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.